the silent nuclear attack. Imagine a threat so pervasive and so destructive that it rivals the long-term impact of a radioactive fallout. Yet it is something you willingly invite into your life every single minute. It is more dangerous than a nuclear weapon. While a nuclear blast is a visible, singular event of catastrophic proportions that demands immediate attention and fear, noise is a slow-motion radiation of the human nervous system. You cannot see it, you cannot smell it, and you cannot touch it, but it is effectively mutating your biological integrity. We have entered an era where silence has been systematically executed. From the moment you wake up to the hum of your refrigerator, to the high-decibel blast of your AirPods during your commute, and the constant low-frequency vibration of urban traffic, you are living in a sonic cage that is slowly crushing your heart. The modern world has normalized a state of auditory assault. We consider the roar of an airplane overhead or the construction jackhammer down the street as mere inconveniences. This is a fatal misunderstanding of biology. Your ears were never designed to be turned off, and in the 21st century, they have become the unguarded gateway through which the stress of the modern world invades your internal organs. Every decibel of unnecessary sound is a microscopic strike against your cardiovascular health. When we talk about noise pollution, we aren't just talking about a nuisance. We are talking about a physical force that alters the rhythm of your heart and the tension of your arteries. Recent clinical data suggests that the heart-ear connection is the most overlooked factor in the modern epidemic of hypertension. Your auditory nerve is a direct line to your brain's survival centers. When you live in a noise-polluted environment, your brain interprets the world as a constant zone of danger. You might think you have tuned out the sound of the city, but your subconscious mind remains in a state of high alert. You are essentially a prisoner in a sensory war zone where the weapons are sound waves and the victim is your longevity. This is the invisible killer of the digital age, a weaponized environment that degrades your health while you sleep, while you work, and while you try to relax. By the time you realize the damage, your arteries have already begun to stiffen, and your heart has already spent years working twice as hard as it should. The anthropological betrayal, the alarm that never stops. To understand why noise is so lethal, we must look at the 2 million years of human evolution that defined our sensory priorities. For the vast majority of our history, the human species lived in a world characterized by near-total organic silence. The sounds our ancestors heard were intermittent and meaningful. The rustle of leaves, the flow of a river, or the distant call of a bird. In this ancestral environment, a sudden, loud, or persistent sound was a rare event of extreme importance. It was the predator alarm. If a branch snapped or a low growl echoed through the forest, it meant an immediate threat to life. Consequently, our DNA evolved to treat sound as a primary trigger for the fight-or-flight response. When your ears detect a sound over a certain threshold, your brain doesn't think, that's just a bus. It thinks danger. It immediately signals the adrenal glands to flood your system with cortisol and adrenaline. This biological software was designed to give you a 5-minute burst of superhuman energy to escape a tiger. It was never intended to be active for 16 hours a day. Yet, in our modern urban landscape, we are forcing this ancient survival mechanism to stay in the on position permanently. This is a profound anthropological betrayal. We are taking a biological system designed for rare emergencies and grinding it down with the constant, meaningless noise of industrial civilization. The mismatch between our ancient biology and our modern environment is catastrophic. Your body cannot distinguish between the roar of a jet engine and the roar of a prehistoric predator. Every time a siren wails or a heavy truck rumbles past your window, your heart rate spikes, your blood pressure rises, and your digestion slows down. This is not a choice. It is a hardwired survival reflex. Because we live in cities that never sleep, our bodies never receive the signal that the predator has left the area. We are effectively living in a state of permanent, low-grade biological panic. This relentless activation of the stress response leads to systemic inflammation and the gradual erosion of your cardiovascular integrity. Our ancestors survived through the power of silence and the ability to detect subtle changes in their environment. By drowning ourselves in a sea of artificial noise, we have disabled our primary defense mechanism and turned our own survival instincts against us. We are the first species in history to be killed by the very sounds we created to make our lives more convenient. Structural collapse, cardiovascular erosion. The damage caused by constant sound is a biological short circuit that prevents your nervous system from ever entering the parasympathetic mode, the essential state of rest and repair. When your ears are bombarded with noise, your brain remains locked in a permanent state of high alert paralysis. This creates a relentless flow of cortisol and adrenaline through your bloodstream, which acts as a corrosive force on the structural integrity of your heart and arteries. This is not just a psychological feeling of stress, it is a mechanical assault. Chronic exposure to noise leads to a phenomenon known as endothelial dysfunction. The inner lining of your blood vessels, the endothelium, becomes inflamed and loses its ability to dilate properly. Over time, the repeated spikes in blood pressure caused by sudden urban sounds lead to arterial stiffening and the rapid accumulation of plaque. Furthermore, noise is the ultimate sleep intruder. Even if you feel like you are sleeping, your auditory nerve is still processing the hum of the city. This prevents your body from reaching the deep, restorative stages of sleep where the heart rate is supposed to drop and the vascular system is supposed to heal. You are essentially sleeping in a combat zone, and your cardiovascular system is taking the shrapnel. Every year you live in this environment, your arteries become more rigid, and your heart ages significantly faster than your chronological age. Age-specific destruction, the longevity gap. The lethal impact of noise pollution is not distributed equally. It creates a profound longevity gap that is visible in modern census data. For adults living in high-decibel urban zones, specifically those residing near international airports, busy railway lines, or major highways, the statistical verdict is devastating. Research has confirmed that these individuals suffer a reduction in lifespan of 3 to 5 years compared to those living in quiet environments. This is not due to air pollution alone. It is the direct result of sonic stress causing premature cardiac failure and chronic metabolic dysfunction. Your zip code's decibel level is a more accurate predictor of your life expectancy than your diet. For the younger generation, the danger manifests as a silent epidemic of premature cardiac aging. Gen Z and millennials are the first generations to inhabit a world of 24/7 auditory stimulation via noise-canceling earbuds and constant media consumption. By flooding their ears with high-decibel input for hours on end, they are training their nervous systems to exist in a state of permanent irritability and hypervigilance. This constant stimulation prevents the development of emotional resilience and leads to a spike in early-onset hypertension. We are seeing 20-year-olds with the vascular age of 40-year-olds simply because their bodies have never experienced the biological reset of absolute silence. Whether you are an aging urbanite or a young professional, the invisible killer is eroding your future, 1 decibel at a time. This is the final deployment for Section 5 and Section 6 of the Chronic Noise Pollution Script, adhering to the 250-word count for Section 5 and 250-word count for Section 6. Molecular horror, the unguarded gate. At the molecular level, the ear is the only sensory organ that possesses no off switch. Unlike your eyes, which can be shielded by eyelids, your auditory nerve is a permanent, unguarded gate to your brain. This is a biological necessity for survival, but in the modern age, it has become a molecular curse. Even during the deepest stages of REM sleep, your brain is forced to process every vibration and frequency from the street outside. This constant data stream triggers a molecular cascade from the inner ear directly to the adrenal glands, resulting in a permanent flood of cortisol. This relentless cortisol elevation is a systemic poison. It triggers the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, which attack your cellular DNA and cause oxidative stress throughout your cardiovascular system. In the bloodstream, this state of chronic noise-induced stress causes your blood to thicken, increasing the viscosity and making it harder for your heart to pump. Simultaneously, it inhibits the production of nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for keeping your arteries flexible and open. You are not just hearing noise. Your cells are drowning in a chemical soup of stress hormones that promote the hardening of your arteries and the buildup of toxic plaques. Your auditory system, designed to save your life from a predator, is now chemically eroding your heart from within, turning sound into a biological weapon that destroys your molecular integrity 24 hours a day. The solution: reclaiming the void. To survive the invisible nuclear attack of modern noise, you must implement a strategy of biological anchoring. The first and most essential step is the 15-minute zero-decibel ritual. For at least 15 minutes every day, you must seek absolute total silence. This is not just quiet time. It is a neural recalibration. By removing all auditory input, you signal to your vagus nerve that the predator is gone, allowing your nervous system to finally switch from fight or flight to rest and digest. Second, you must weaponize your protection. Invest in high-fidelity, medical-grade earplugs, especially for sleep. By blocking out the low-frequency urban hum that bypasses your conscious mind, you allow your heart rate to reach the deep, restorative lows required for vascular healing. Complement this with sound healing therapies. Using specific frequencies like 432 Hz or white noise to drown out chaotic urban sounds with soothing rhythmic patterns that stabilize your heart rhythm. Finally, create a sonic sanctuary in your bedroom. Remove all humming electronics and use heavy sound-dampening curtains to seal out the street. You must treat silence as a vital nutrient, as essential to your longevity as clean water or organic food. Reclaim the void, protect your ears, and you will give your heart the silence it needs to stay alive. The war against noise begins with the decision to be still.